When I had you, I treated you bad and wrong I did. Girl, since you went away, don't you know I sit around with my head hanging down, and I wonder who's loving you. Life without love is oh so lonely. I don't think I'ma make it all my life. All my life goes to you only. Come on and take it, girl. Come on and take it, because all I could do was cry. Since you, don't you know I sit around with my head hanging down, and I wonder who loving you.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Elaine.
Touriss, you sing out your little heart. You are such a sweetie pie, honey bun, sugar plum. I really feel sorry for you because the woman left you. And you sit up and you say, oh God, what love my woman. I believed you. I thought that you were very committed to it. I thought that you are trying to be committed to it. I think as you get older, you'll be able to be more acquainted with pain, the pain of a broken heart, and therefore it will even seem more real. But you sounded very good. That was a good performance. And I love your outfit, Michael Jackson / Zorro. Me like it. Yeah.
Anthony.
Well, you know, you're getting down on your knees to beg for votes. That's always a sign of commitment. I guess, you know, there's really nothing particularly wrong with it, but I am not overwhelmed. My problem with you is that I don't believe you as a performer.
Bugle.
I think you did a great job. The only problem I have, when I see you look on the audience at no time, you look on the audience for the whole time. But I think you did a great job, and I love your presentation.
Conroy.
Rough start. It was a rough start of the song, but you tried hard and made it up towards the end. Fair attempt.
Thanks, judges. Show Touriss as much love as you can by sending him the votes. Text the word VOTE to 444-5501 or call 444-5501. Thanks, Touriss. Love that song.